What is up, Travels with Buddy? Just had a pretty major snowstorm today, and I got Buddy over here. Hey, buddy. Wow, I just did some snow shoveling. We got about a foot of snow, and we'll see how well Buddy enjoys the snow. Well, he likes the snow. Ooh, there's a leaf. Bud's in the snow. Yep. We got about a foot of snow. Huh, Bud? I don't know how good this video is going to come out. I got my headlamp on. Whew. Just got done shoveling the deck in the my driveway and my steps, my front steps. A lot of snow. And Bud's saying, what is this stuff? And Bud knows the snow. He's been out in the snow before. Bud blends right in with the snow. Alright, Bud. Bet you want to take a poop in the snow. Yeah. Well, this is what western New England looks like in the wintertime. First major snowstorm of 2024. Huh, Bud? I'm gonna go to the steps. Oh, these are brighter. All right. Ooh, That Bud had enough of the, well, yeah, we're ready to head in. Bud's not used to all this snow.